So yesterday I said it's always best to multiply to check. Well, let's see what it takes to multiply to check when you have a remainder. Okay, so our x here reminds us that we're going to multiply our quotient times our divisor. That's going, if we did everything correctly, we should get our dividend. Okay, so let's multiply 36 times 16. 6 times 6 is 36. 3 times 6 is 18. Plus 3 is 21. Put in that 0, and now we can multiply by 1. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. And we're going to add them together. Well, I haven't gotten 684. I'm sorry, 584. I have only gotten 576. Well, this is where our remainder comes in. If you remember, when we talk about what it means to have a remainder, it means that I've been able to split up 584 into 36 equal groups with 16 things in each group, but 8 pens, let's say I was dividing up pens, 8 of the 584 didn't have a spot. I didn't have enough groups, okay? So that means I have 8 pens left over of the 584. So I'm going to add it, which means 6 plus 4 is 14, 8, 5. So when I add my remainder, then I get my dividend. I think this is what kids get confused about when they have a remainder. Because they know that you're supposed to add it when you check, a lot of times what they'll do is add it to our quotient. Well, this is not, remember, this is the number of pens in one group. We don't add what's left over to the number of pens in one group. Okay, so remember, our 584 was our total. We split them up into 36 groups, and we had 16 in each group. Well, not every pen got to be put in an equal group. We had 8 left over.